So, this little piece of plastic? Yeah. This is supposed to survive your washing machine. I'm not even joking. Watch what happens when we hold it up to the light. See that flash? That's not paper doing that. That's polymer. And where this stuff comes from? Honestly, it's a wild process. Alright, we start here. Big rolls of this stuff called BOPP film. Don't worry about the name. Basically, it's a super thin, super tough plastic sheet. Comes in on pallets. Gets checked. Like, really checked. This guy's measuring the thickness down to microns. If it's even slightly off, the whole roll gets rejected. No room for error here. None. Now here's the clever bit. Right now, this film is basically see-through cling wrap. You can't print money on cling wrap, can you? So it goes through this kosher machine that adds an opaque layer, kind of like frosting glass, and boom, now it feels and looks almost like paper, except it won't tear in your pocket.
This next part's my favorite, not gonna lie. Watch it, they're punching out a little window, a see-through panel, right in the middle of the note. That's the signature move with plastic currency. You literally cannot fake that with paper. Try it. You can't. Okay, now, it's starting to actually look like money. This press is laying down the background. All those patterns, the little swirls, the Ashokan Chakra design. It's called offset printing, and it's basically painting in layers, one color at a time. Takes forever to set up, but once it's rolling, beautiful to watch. Right, this is the big one. This machine is stamping Gandhi's portrait, but not just printing it, actually pressing it into the material. That's why real currency feels raised when you run your finger over it. Go on, try it on any note in your wallet right now. Feel that. Same technology. Basically, that's called intaglio. Been used for centuries. Still can't be replicated properly by home printers. That's the whole point.
Now watch this. They're gonna kill the lights. There it is. See that? Completely invisible a second ago. Under UV light, boom, there's a hidden pattern. That's your anti-counterfeit layer right there. Combine that with the color shifting ink. See how the number changes color when you tilt it, and you've basically made this thing next to impossible to fake. Right, from here it's just precision. These big sheets, each one's got like 40, 50 notes printed on it, all get fed into this cutter. One pass, bam. Individual notes, perfectly sized, stacking themselves up like a card dealer on fast forward. This bit's oddly satisfying to watch. Every single note passes under a scanner, checking for smudges, misprints, anything off. And see her? She's double checking by hand too. Old school meets high tech. If even one note looks slightly wrong, straight in the reject pile, no compromises. And here's where it all comes together. Counted, banded into stacks of 100, wrapped up tight, and off they go into the vault. Heavy door, serious security. From a roll of plastic to sealed currency. That's the whole journey right there. Worth remembering though, this is still a concept. RBI tested something like this back in 2016. Small scale, a few cities. Whether India actually goes fully polymer someday, that's still up in the air. Either way, pretty wild how something this small takes this much engineering, isn't it? Catch you in the next one.